Hi guys, welcome back. This is a quick video, just a very quick Etsy update. I told you that I would have been very busy getting digitals done and in my Etsy, so I wanted to jump on here and show you the next batch really quick. So this one is the Grungy Rose, the little mini file folder books. And so I think this is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at those colors. And then it comes with the 4 file folders, the 3 journal cards, actually 4. The smaller cards, these are belly bands that you can either put on long ways or short. We may make one set of these really quick just so you guys can see. So that's the Grungy Rose. Let me see, I have another, okay. And then this one is the Memories mini file folder kit. And my ink was running out on one of these. But look how pretty this is. There it is, that's where the ink was running out. But I love these kits. Oh my goodness. And I love these little mini file books. And especially with Valentine's coming up, these would be cute little gifts. So that one is the Memories. And then, what else? Oh yeah, I have Romantic Rose. This is another one of the little mini file book kits. Love this one. This may be, I don't know which one I like better. I love the colors. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at these journal cards. I love them. Love, 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 love this kit too. Okay, who am I kidding? I love them all. Alright, so those 3. Then these are the Grungy Rose tickets 2. And so on this page, it's like, I don't know, like your little, maybe like theater type tickets. You know, it's got 15 cents, admit 1, cinema, but it's on that Grungy Rose background. And then the second page is this, and it's got like the French type stuff on it. Aren't they gorgeous? So I think there's 42 tickets per page. So that's the Grungy Rose tickets 2. Then we have neutral tickets. And so this is like, these are all like the neutral colors. And this is like some of the French type. Perfect for any journal because they're so neutral. And then this is a page of like the theater type tickets. But these are neutral, so these will go with absolutely anything. And then the last thing I have to show you today is the Grungy Rose add-on kit. Look how big these tags are. I love big tags. I really do. I love these. Absolutely gorgeous. Then I went with a different style tag where I have like coffee dyed paper in the middle, so it makes great writing space. Then it has like some faux stitching on it, and there's 9 pages in this kit. Look how beautiful. Love it. And then these are some little library card pockets. There's 3 of those. I've done 1 envelope. I probably should have done some more, but believe it or not, that envelope took a while. And then here's some library cards. And then we've done some little pockets. And then I've done some smaller tags. And then I've done a page of labels. So there are 9 pages in this kit here. I love the big tags. Oh my goodness, I just love them. So there's 9 pages there. We have the neutral the Vintage Neutral tickets, the Grungy Rose tickets 2, and then we have 3 new file folder books. And let's put one of the little file folders together really quick. Let's just cut one out. We'll just do one, just so you guys can see it. I know which one I want to do. That one. Where are my scissors? I was looking for my other scissors, but these will do. And I could put this on my Scan and Cut, but that would take too long. So I will attempt to cut it out halfway straight like this. But I can't hardly see, so it might not be quite that great, but you know what? We're going to do it. And now the reason why there are the 2 white tabs, it's so that you know that those are the ones that you fold in. And then there are 2 tabs on the left and 2 tabs on the right. Or 2 folders with tabs on the left and 2 folders with tabs on the right. It's so that you can offset them whenever you put it together. So I am just cutting this as best as I can with not being able to see it very well. And I should have already had one cut out, but I honestly wasn't planning on making one. But I figured it wouldn't hurt to go ahead and do one. And like I said, these are really cute. These make great, if you're wanting to give a birthday gift to somebody or something, these make great little gifts because there's so much that you can do with them. You know, and I don't have, they're not real, there are a couple that are like, you know, holiday specific, but for the most part, none of them are. I've made sure to try and keep it that way, just so that you can use them for several different holidays or events. I'm looking for I have a little thing of, there we go. I have a little hole punch that I'm looking for. Here we go. Well, that may be too big. Let me get the other one. And I mean, you can punch the holes however big you want to. You don't even have to punch holes, but I figured I would, since I've already got the little spot there for it. So we'll just punch that hole there like that. And so all you do is you just fold it just like that. And fold it right here. And then you just basically fold it up. Just like that. Let me grab a foam folder. And then I do have some extra little pieces here, and that's so that you can glue one on the front. So let me cut that. And I just love these little file folder books. They are so much fun. They're so easy to do. I know whenever I was making the little file folder books before I made the kit, you had to know all kinds of measurements, and you had to be able to measure it and make sure your measurements were correct. And I just don't have time for all of that stuff. So for me, it was easier to just make the kit. And then it takes the guesswork out of it, and I don't have to stress over that. And then it gives everybody else the opportunity to make them. So that's why I made the kit. And you guys see my cutting is awful. Absolutely awful. But I'm trying to do this like here at my desk, and I can't really see, and so rather than just getting closer or saying, you know, whatever, you know me, I'm just gonna do it the hard way. So then you just glue these down, and you can cut a thumb hole in it if you want to. I mean, that honestly, that's all there is to it. And then you just put the rest of them together. Then you can bind them. You can either tie them, you can sew them, anything like that. Let's see, let's cut out one of the journaling cards, or attempt to. So this was, you know, and it was with making the kit, one of the things I was doing was trying to make sure that I got all the sizes correct to where, you know, the cards would fit down in the folders, and make sure I had the belly band size correctly. And, you know, there's a lot to going in making a digital. I don't know if you guys know. If you've seen my Photoshop, you know that there's quite a bit that goes into it. Yeah, so see, that just goes right down in there like that. And then these are the belly bands or side pockets, or, you know, whatever you want to do. I tried to make the kits to where you have a lot of different options, but still have the kit, excuse me, fairly simple to use. And so that's what I've tried to do with all of this kind of stuff here. Okay, so what this can be, you can put this on the side here as like a side pocket, or you can do it as a belly band that way. And then these cards actually fit down in there, I believe is how I've done it. And then let me cut one of these out. Y'all guys, now you can see how bad I really do cut. Because I am the world's worst at cutting. But I make do, that's what matters. Okay, and so that would go right across there. And then you can, you know, tuck that in. You can fold this one the way that this one's done. It looks like it's got the fold, so you could actually fold it, tuck it down in there. You can use it as your little card here. You can take one of these and fold part of this and make a little, let's do it with a piece of this. Let's just make us a little pull on this, since it's got the roses that match. And with it being digital, it doesn't matter that I'm using it up because I can print it again. That's the one thing about digitals, is that once you've got it and bought it, it's in your little stash and it's there. Ouch, I just got my finger. And so I'm just making this a little rounded. And then just going to take and maybe right about there. I like it that. So yeah, this was just a very quick video to show you guys the new digitals, and then I figured, oh, let me just show you one of these. So that's why I was not prepared, but it's okay. All right, so we'll let that dry for just a second while I clean some of this mess up, because you guys know I can't stand it. And then I'll put it like that so I don't look so goofy. So yeah, there's the Romantic Rose kit. And then did y'all hear that? My microphone just popped off. I'm sure y'all heard it. Oh well. Okay, so let me get this and then we'll look at it very quickly. All right, so this should be dry enough now, so we can just stick this right down in here. And then with us putting that little pull on it, look at that. How cute is that? Then I could write something on the little tab there. I have a place on the back I can use. Put the four of them together. They make a cute little gift. you could even use this for like your little journal to store like your Valentine memories, or, you know, if somebody gives you little Valentine cards or something like that, stick them down in these little folders. You know, it's a good way to save your memories and just file them away. So that's it, guys. I'll go through it real quick one more time. We have the Romantic Rose file folder kit. We have the Memories file folder kit. How pretty, except for, you know, I opened it to the page where my ink was going out. Beautiful. We have the Grungy Rose file folder kit. I love this. Oh my God. Love it. We have the Grungy Rose tickets too. The Vintage Neutral tickets. And then the Grungy Rose add-on kit. And so I will make sure that all of these items are linked below. So go over, grab them, and when you make something, tag me. Let me see what you made. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.